Work experience, so this is perfect. எப்படின்னா what is your role and responsibility? எந்த பொசிஷனுக்காக அப்ளை பண்ணிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு கிளியரா ஆர்டிகுலேட் பண்ணல. Overall, what are the changes what I would recommend? Hello, வணக்கம், welcome back. Resume reviews. இன்னைக்கு என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா we are going to go over some sample resumes. நம்மளோட டீம் வந்து கிட்டத்தட்ட ஒரு 10 ரெsume அனுப்பிச்சிருக்காங்க. They said our community wants to know more about preparing better resumes. So, that's what we are going to do. I'm going to walk through, and this is something what I do day in and day out. என்னோட வேலை வந்து மெயினா என்னன்னா to review resumes so that we can get the right opportunities for people. What could have been done better in these particular resumes? So sample resume 1. First resume la vandu what I see is the name of the candidate, assistant restaurant general manager. அவங்களோட டைட்டில் போட்டிருக்கு. So what I see in this resume is resume வந்து break பண்ணி left and rightல வந்து leftல ஒரு column இருக்கு, rightல ஒரு column இருக்கு, rightல work experience இருக்கு, leftல வந்து core skills and education அப்படின்னு சொல்லி போட்டிருக்காங்க, which is not a bad format, but generally ஒரு flow இருக்கணும். ஒரு resume flowனா எப்படின்னா ஒரு resume படிக்கணும்னா ஸ்டார்டிங்ல இருந்து உங்களோட executive summary, next you should start off with your skills, your degree, the tools what you have, then your work experience and references அப்படி போலாம். இந்த resumeல வந்து what this candidate has mentioned is assistant manager with 5 years of supervisory experience, trained in several production areas. All that is fine, the first executive summary. But எந்த பொசிஷனுக்காக அப்ளை பண்ணிருக்காங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்லி ஒரு கிளியரா ஆர்டிகுலேட் பண்ணல. Most importantly, இதுல என்ன பண்ணிருக்கணும்னா executive summary should clearly articulate what kind of position are you applying for, and whatever is mentioned in that particular job description, right, kills what you have, and what the job description asks is what should be articulated in the executive summary. So அது வந்து இதுல வந்து ஜெனரலா அவங்களோட எக்ஸ்பீரியன்ஸை பத்தி போட்டிருக்கு. But for every position what you apply, நீங்க வந்து you should articulate where is the intersection. எப்படின்னா உங்களோட relevance to that particular job description and what is the experience what you carry is what you got to mention. Okay. Work experience. So this is perfect. எப்படின்னா what is your role and responsibility. Company role வந்து first இருக்கும். Like இதுல வந்து assistant restaurant general manager. அதுக்கு கீழ வந்து name of the company, எந்த கம்பெனில வேலை செஞ்சீங்களோ அது கீழ வந்து responsibilities. Responsibilities வந்து I would have loved, instead of giving it as a paragraph, if you bulletize it that these were your responsibilities, that would have been really nice. Most importantly, I have seen this impact created in that particular project or in the company. If you can add that impact in சொல்லி ஒரு bullet, நீங்க இருந்ததனால you brought in 15% cost savings, or you improved 30% productivity, or you helped, whatever is the impact for every customer. If you mention that stands out as well. In the resume one of the challenges what I see is core skills அப்படின்னு சொல்லி left side ல போட்டிருக்கு, then education, masters, and all of that is perfect. But இத வந்து and the certificates what he has mentioned, this is all on the left, and right side ல வந்து எல்லா experiences எல்லாம் போட்டிருக்கு. It's not a bad format, but this is not what generally when people look at it, right? People who are constantly reviewing resumes, when they look at it, they want to have a flow, and that is where you might miss the point. But this is not a bad resume. It's pretty well done. Volunteering experience. I really love the fact that you have added volunteering experience. So இவர் எப்படி பண்ணிருக்காருன்னா resumeல right sideல வந்து work experience, role, then client or the எந்த கம்பெனில வேலை செஞ்சாங்களோ, then roles and responsibility. Roles and responsibility could have been bulletized. அடுத்த experienceல வந்து team leader and name of the company and location mentioned பண்ணிருக்க, very good. The company and the location, if it can be there, that is very good. Again, இதுல வந்து bulletized இது இல்ல, okay, in the second experience as well. Volunteering experience, I really like that. Student leader at a particular organization, the time frame what you work. Volunteering வந்து it is something very very important to add in your resume whatever you do, because ஒவ்வொரு கம்பெனிலயும் வந்து they really want to help improve communities as well. So volunteering is something very very important, and it shows who you are as an individual at the bottom of your heart. So in the hiring process, உங்களுக்கு volunteering நீங்க add பண்ணிருந்தீங்கன்னா resumeல, it will definitely make a huge difference. References very well mentioned இதுல. So in all, this is a great resume format. Resume overall, what are the changes what I would recommend? Executive summary வந்து to be tweaked to a particular job description. All right, that is something which I would like. Work experience வந்து if you can create a flow of the resume instead of left and right. Once உங்களோட left sideல போட்டிருக்கிற educational qualifications, certificates, core skills, if you can move it to the top right after the executive summary, then your work experience starts, then your volunteering experience, then your references. This would be a recommended format. So I hope that helps.